Hello guys, welcome back to another short 8080 assembly video. In this video I want to show you how to do 16-bit subtraction. It's very easy. This method works on pretty much any microcontroller really, and this can be easily expanded to any amount of bits for subtraction. 24, 32, 64, doesn't matter. You know, just swap things in and out of memory or stack. So this is what we're going to do. So we're going to start with the boilerplate again. Oh my god. There we go. Let's just do push, right. Then we're going to have the two numbers we're going to subtract. And then we're going to do num2. Okay, so this is going to subtract DE from HL, and then difference will be in HL. So H is going to be num1, num2, call sub16, and then we're going to want to compare, we're going to want to print the result, and because the two numbers are so close together, it'll fit in a byte. I don't need to fit between 1 and 0 and 9. I won't need to do anything special, so I can just do this. I can do move L to A, add ASCII 0, call put char, and then end. And then of course put char is push B, push D, put char, move A to E, call BDOS, pop D, pop B, and return. Okay, and then sub 16. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. First, we're going to exchange. So we're going to exchange DE and HL. I'm going to swap them around. And then we're going to move the low byte of DE into A. And we're going to subtract from the low byte in HL. And then we're just going to move the answer over. We're going to do move the accumulator, the answer, back to L because I want the answer to be in HL. And this is just like subtracting on paper. You move from right to left, and also just like subtracting on paper, or just subtraction in general, we're going to subtract the subsequent bytes with borrow. So let me show you how to do that. So we're going to move the high byte DE to A. We're going to subtract with borrow the high byte of HL. There we go. And then we're going to move the answer, the accumulator, back into H. We're going to return. That right there is how to do 16-bit subtraction on the 8080 chip. And let's see how it goes. What did I forget this time? Oh my god, I cannot believe it. Let's try that, folks. Let's try not subtracting random stuff. That's more like it, folks. Okay, so now let's just try raising this number and lowering this number. Look at that. Is that correct? That's correct. There we go. And that is 16-bit subtraction on the 8080 chip. And I will see you next time.